Have you ever created a beautiful heat map in R, only to notice those pesky border colors ruining the look? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to eliminate those unwanted borders in your feat map visualizations. I totally get it. You put in all that effort to visualize your gene expression data, and then those borders pop up, making everything look less polished. You're not alone in this frustration. Many users face similar issues when working with pheatmap. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "Why do I see border colors in my pheatmap even after setting border color to NA?" They shared their code and images, showing how the neighboring boxes are separated by lighter colors. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this issue? The pheatmap function can sometimes introduce default border colors, even when we try to set them to transparent. Understanding how R handles color gradients and borders will help us find a solution. And stick around. I have a great workaround at the end that will help you achieve that seamless heat map look you desire. To address the issue of unwanted border colors in the heat map, the user should first ensure that the border color is set correctly. Instead of using NA, they can try setting the border color to transparent. Next, the user should check the color palette being used. Sometimes, the transition between colors can create the illusion of borders. Using a smoother gradient can help mitigate this effect. Additionally, the user can adjust the breaks parameter. By specifying breaks, they can control how the colors are applied across the heat map, which may help in achieving a more continuous look. Finally, the user should consider the overall size of the heat map. Increasing the size of the heat map can reduce the visibility of any unintended borders. Fun fact: did you know that heat maps were first used in the 1990s to visualize complex data? They have come a long way since then, and now you can create stunning visuals with just a few lines of code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests editing the border colors for each cell individually. First, identify the grob that corresponds to the heat map cells. This can be done using the map function to find the right grob class. Then, locate the rectangle grob within that grob. By setting the border color to match the fill color, you can effectively eliminate the borders. Additionally, increasing the border thickness can help ensure there are no gaps between the cells. Here's the workaround I promised. Always check your color settings and consider using alternative packages for more flexibility. This can save you a lot of time and frustration in the long run. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be able to create a seamless heat map without those annoying borders. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more R tips and tricks. Happy coding!